Hey, welcome to Park Avenue Forex. Tom here. Update on the Bitcoin trend reactionary numbers. Gave the first forecast out on September 17th, and I have to say that it was an outstanding success, worth approximately 700 points, maybe 600 points. The spread, I'll say 600 points because the spread in this instrument is really pretty wide. Didn't even realize how wide it was. But I have the purple line marked on the chart where I gave the forecast out and said that I was a little late to the party on a break of 11,078. Market should be going down to 10,181. So far, the low has been 10,283. So very close. If anyone took this trade, I would suggest that you take half your position off right now and see if we can break down through say this lower level right here, 10,149. We could probably push down to the low day's close, which would be probably 10,135. On an extreme, we could possibly touch around 99,900, which would be a fantastic return on investment. So the break of 11,078, I said that I was a little late. However, the next day, the market gave an opportunity by trading up to 11,038, very close, 40 bucks away from where I said that the trade should actually push down from. So if you go to the recording of September 17th, you can go to the 429 mark and see that forecast. But right now, I mean, that was first forecast in Bitcoin, very, very successful. Look forward to helping you guys out further in this cryptocurrency. And as always, enjoy the party, dancing at the door. Cheers.